Hello there, welcome back. Here's how you can do this eye zoom transition in VN Video Editor, where there will be a footage of this eye, close-up eye, that will be zoomed in to reveal a footage of skyscrapers within the area of the eyeball. So let's do this. Once you've opened the footage of this eye, let's say if the transition starts from 2 seconds, and then it will be zoomed in for 1 second. So to do this, tap on the footage, and then tap on keyframe, and then have several offsets until 3 seconds. So at this duration, pinch the footage outwards, just like this. And then at this duration, zoom it in again, pinch it outwards, hold on, just like this, and then make sure that the iris is at the center of the video or the workspace. And then at 3 seconds, pinch the footage outwards again, and then make it centerized. And then let's add the footage of the skyscrapers. To do this, let's just start from here. Tap anywhere outside of the layer, and then tap on the image icon, tap on photos. We add this footage of the skyscrapers. Make sure that it fits with the dimensions of the composition, and then afterwards you want to do a circular mask so that it has the illusion that the eyeball will reveal this skyscraper footage. To do this, swipe right and then tap on mask, make it radial, and then all you do is to animate the mask. Let's say if you want to do this masking, and then drag the upper arrow to create the blurry effect, and then shrink it, place it at the center, and then tap on the keyframe icon to create a keyframe. Hold on. Tap on keyframe, and then at this duration, zoom it in. Hold on. Zoom the mask in, just like so, and then you place the footage to the center, and then all you have to do now is to decrease the blurriness a bit, and then tap on the keyframe again, just like so. Hold on. Just like this. And then at this duration, zoom the circular mask in, and then decrease the feather amount by dragging the up arrow like downwards slightly, and then zoom it in a bit, and then tap on the keyframe icon. Hold on. Zoom it in here, and then drag it downward so that it's it has feathers, and then finally here, zoom it just like this, and then you're done. Alright, now you're done. But here, let's decrease the size actually, so that it looks like this pretty much. Oh, fancy! Decrease it again at this time, at this duration, and then tap on the keyframe icon. Then when you're done, ooh, fancy! If we play it, tap on the checkmark icon, and then if we play it, ooh, fancy! Now the eyeball has revealed this footage of these skyscrapers. That's how you can do this eye transition in VN Video Editor. Oh, pretty fancy, especially if you want to do, this illusion using your mobile phone. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. From me, it's good day. Ciao.